Do not be liberal in your reactions. It is not cute. It is not the measurement of your freedom. Understand, all of us deeply believe our capacity to react is our freedom. No. You will tighten the noose around your neck and you claim it is a freedom. Be conservative in your reactions every time. And I tell you, man who is conservative in his reactions knows where to depute his resources to wage the war. Life is Kurukshetra. Duryodhana's reactions were liberal. That is why even with 11 crore, 11 Akshoni Sena, he was not able to conquer just 7 Akshoni Sena. Understand, the whole Mahabharata war was between 11 Akshoni and 7 Akshoni. Pandavas were 7, totally 18 Akshoni. Kaurava's side was 11. 11 and 7. Some of the Bharatam's Mahabharata narrations describes as 10 verses 8, but Vyasa makes it very clear it is 11 verses 7. 7-11, maybe started there only. It was 7-11, not 8-10. Listen, life is Mahabharata. You are in Kurukshetra. If your reactions are liberal, you are Duryodhana. Even the large resources will be destroyed. If your actions are liberal, you are Krishna. Small resources are enough to finish off. Bhishma Pitamaga, Icha Mrityu. Yeah. Transgender girl. Bhishma Pitamaga, Icha Mrityu. Transgender girl, Sikandi. See the mutation Krishna is doing. Icha Mrityu is the extreme capacity of the physiological power. Transgender girl means the lowest powerlessness of the physiological reality. The worst powerlessness of the physiological reality and the highest powerfulness of the physiological reality. But Krishna's liberalness in action and conservativeness in reaction makes it mute each other. See the mutation happening. The lowest powerlessness muting the highest powerfulness of the physiology. Then comes Drona. The worst powerlessness of psychology is vengeance. Highest powerfulness of the psychology is ability to use the cosmic power by will, Brahmastra. Understand? Just through the power of the will, you don't even need a grass. Your sound is enough. You can finish off the universe. Drona not only knows Brahmastra, who taught the science of Brahmastra to the universe. There's no one who taught the science of Brahmastra to so many other than Drona. In record, even Parasurama taught only to 2. Drona taught to 18, 1-8. 1-8 people received the Brahmastra from Drona, means highest psychological reality powerfulness is muted by whom? Drishtadyumna. The lowest psychological powerlessness is vengeance. The worst powerlessness is being used to mute the best powerfulness, because the guy who is sitting is liberal in his actions and very conservative in his reactions. When Bhishma, Drona, Salya, Karna, all of them are in the front. The same scene was seen by Krishna and Arjuna. Krishna was liberal in his action and conservative in his reaction. Arjuna was liberal in his reaction and conservative in his action. That is Arjuna Vishada Yoga. The first chapter of the Gita. Arjuna was liberal in his reaction. He says, my hands are shivering. And I tell you, strongest physiology is bisexual physiology. Arjuna is bisexual. A bisexual man can never be shaken. Arjuna is bisexual. He is physically describing what is happening to him. Shivering, sweating. Tongue is dry, mouth is dry. In his reactions he was liberal. In his actions he was conservative. That's why my Gandiva is falling from my hand. Hey, which you held for your whole life, which is almost extension of you, like your right hand and left hand. He's saying my hands are falling out of my shoulders. Understand? I can explain the whole Mahabharata, how this one liberal action and conservative reaction, just that with that one quality, Krishna played the whole drama and won the Kurukshetra war. Sometimes he lost the battle but never lost the war. Yes, in Abhimanyu's issue, they lost the battle. Krishna did shed tears, understand? Because Krishna's one of the important vishwas. He wants this whole Bharat to be ruled by his DNA. And he wanted his DNA to be the source of Bharat, which is the right decision, which is the right thing. So it is through Abhimanyu it is going to happen. When Abhimanyu died, he had tears. But fortunately, already Abhimanyu's wife was pregnant. So he won the war, but lost the battle. He would have produced few more kids and managed the country in a much better way. In Abhimanyu's issue, Krishna lost the battle. Abhimanyu's issue was not just Arjuna's son. It was Krishna's ambition too. It is through Abhimanyu, Krishna was getting the best DNAs collected, the best Kshatriya and Krishna's intelligence. The Yadava, understand? It is Kshatriyas, Yadavas together formed Bharata, and the whole Bharat is ruled by Kshatriya Yadava DNA. You see the Parikshittu and Dhananjaya and the whole. The original DNA is the perfection is achieved in Parikshittu. That is why I tell you, we can never be destroyed. Because Parikshittu has built the tendency even to withstand the Brahmastra. Understand? Bharat can never be killed. Bharat can never be killed because the whole DNA process itself went through the Brahmastra attack. Of course, don't be lazy for that. But I want to tell you the truth, it cannot be killed. Because the DNA itself has gone through the test. If you know Mahabharata, you can understand what I am saying. Yes, sometime Krishna lost the battle, but never the war. Be conservative in your reactions. Be liberal in your actions.